12 Amazing Benefits of Clove Water. In the world of herbal infusions, few are as intriguing and beneficial as clove water. Extracting the essence of cloves into water creates a unique elixir that has been treasured for its health benefits for centuries. In this video, we will explore the top 12 amazing benefits of this powerful drink. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, we will dive into the science behind each benefit, revealing how clove water can transform your well-being. Get ready to discover the incredible power of this aromatic infusion and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Benefit number 1. Aids digestion. Cloves contain compounds like flavonoids and essential oils that relax smooth muscles in the digestive tract, promoting healthy digestion. When consumed as a tea or infusion, clove water can soothe gastrointestinal discomfort, reduce bloating, and relieve indigestion. Its antispasmodic properties help alleviate irritable bowel syndrome symptoms and promote regular bowel movements. Additionally, the eugenol in clove water stimulates saliva production, which aids in breaking down food and further supports digestive health. Incorporating clove water into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your digestive system and maintain optimal gut health. Benefit number 2. Soothes toothaches. When it comes to relieving toothaches, clove water may offer a natural remedy. The eugenol compound found in cloves has anesthetic and anti-inflammatory properties. Clove water can help numb the affected area and reduce inflammation, providing temporary relief from toothaches. Simply rinse your mouth with a little clove water or use a cotton swab to apply some to the affected area for a soothing effect. While clove water can provide some relief, it's essential to consult a dentist for proper diagnosis and treatment of any dental issue. Benefit number 3. Boosts the immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and strengthen the immune system. When consumed as clove water, these antioxidants support the body's defense against infections and diseases. Eugenol and other phenolic compounds in clove water have antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off harmful bacteria and boost immunity. Regularly including clove water in your diet can help improve your immune response and reduce the risk of common illnesses. Stay healthy and enhance your immune system with this aromatic infusion. Benefit number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove water is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. The active ingredient, eugenol, helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, alleviating conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Its anti-inflammatory effects can also help soothe sore throats, reduce muscle pain, and promote faster healing. Consuming clove water regularly can help manage inflammation and support overall well-being. Embrace the soothing power of clove water and experience a reduction in inflammation and pain. Benefit number 5. Promote oral health. Clove water can help promote oral health in several ways. Its antibacterial properties can help prevent harmful bacteria from growing in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. The antifungal properties of clove water can also help prevent oral thrush and other fungal infections. Additionally, clove water can help keep the mouth hydrated, which is essential for maintaining oral health. Rinsing your mouth with clove water after meals can be a refreshing way to support your oral health and prevent bad breath. By incorporating clove water into your oral care routine, you can enjoy a healthier and more confident smile. Benefit number 6. Freshens breath. Bad breath can be embarrassing and affect social interactions, but clove water can help freshen your breath naturally. The aromatic compounds in cloves have a pleasant scent that can mask unpleasant breath odors. Eugenol, a primary component of clove water, has antibacterial properties that target odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Consuming clove water regularly can help maintain fresh breath throughout the day. Simply sipping on some clove water before social events or meetings can be a discreet and effective way to keep your breath feeling confident and clean. Benefit number 7. Supports heart health. Clove water can support heart health in several ways. It helps lower high blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. The antioxidants in clove water protect against oxidative stress, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, clove water's anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent inflammation that may lead to heart problems. Including clove water in your diet can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular health. Sip your way to a healthier heart with this aromatic infusion. Benefit number 8. Enhances skin health. Clove water can work wonders for your skin. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help protect against environmental damage and reduce skin irritation. The antimicrobial properties of clove water fight acne-causing bacteria, minimizing breakouts. Additionally, clove water's hydrating properties keep skin moisturized and supple. Applying a little clove water to your face or using it as a natural toner can help improve your skin's health and appearance. Unlock the secret to glowing skin with this powerful infusion. Benefit number 9, helps with weight management. While not a miracle solution, clove water can support weight management efforts. The cinnamol dyed in cloves boosts the body's core temperature, potentially increasing metabolic rate and aiding in calorie expenditure. Clove water's appetite-reducing effects can help control cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Staying hydrated with clove water can also support a feeling of fullness, potentially leading to reduced overeating. Incorporating clove water into your weight loss journey may complement a balanced diet and exercise plan. Benefit number 10, gargling with clove water reduces bacteria. Gargling with clove water can help reduce bacteria in the mouth, promoting oral hygiene. The eugenol and clove oil in clove water have antimicrobial properties that kill harmful bacteria. This can help prevent gum disease, tooth decay, and other oral infections. Additionally, gargling with clove water can help reduce bad breath by eliminating odor causing bacteria. To gargle with clove water, simply mix 1 tablespoon of clove powder or 5 to 10 cloves in a glass of warm water. Gargle with the mixture for 30 seconds and spit it out. You can do this once or twice a day for optimal results. Benefit number 11, supports bone health. Clove water is a good source of essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which are vital for strong bones. Calcium and magnesium help build bone mass and density, while vitamin K supports bone metabolism and reduces the risk of fractures. These nutrients work together to maintain bone health and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Consuming clove water regularly can help ensure you get these essential nutrients, supporting your bone health. Stay strong and healthy with this nutrient-rich infusion. Benefit number 12, alleviates cold and cough symptoms. Clove water can help alleviate cold and cough symptoms, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. The eugenol and flavonoids in clove water help soothe sore throats and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Clove water can also help thin mucus and promote its expulsion, providing relief from congestion. To get relief from cold and cough, you can add clove water to your diet or use it as a base for homemade cough drops or throat lozenges. Benefit number 13, clove water enhances hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being, and clove water can be a delightful way to increase your fluid intake. The distinct flavor and aroma of cloves make drinking more enjoyable, encouraging you to consume more fluids. Proper hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion, temperature regulation, and waste removal. By infusing water with cloves, you create a flavorful and aromatic drink that can help you meet your daily hydration goals. Quench your thirst and nourish your body with this invigorating infusion. Benefit number 14, clove water immunity booster. As mentioned earlier, clove water is packed with antioxidants, which play a key role in strengthening the immune system. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting immune function. Clove water also has antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections caused by bacteria and fungi. Regular consumption of clove water can help boost immunity and reduce the risk of common illnesses like colds and flu. Stay protected and healthy with this immune-boosting infusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the amazing benefits of clove water. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible infusion and its positive impact on your health and well-being. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family so they, too, can discover the magic of clove water. Until next time, subscribe.